Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present you this approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron Sportback 50 Quattro. Now this particular example is finished in the fantastic Geyser Blue metallic paintwork, which is really give it that unique appearance. As well as this, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling such as the front bumper, rear diffuser and side profile. As well as this, you do get the chrome accents such as the rear diffuser and the Audi badging. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we do find these exceptional 20-inch 5 Y-spoke design satin aluminium wheels, which do really stand out against the blue paint. To the side of the vehicle now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and does protect those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest, which is well known for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes the vehicle perfect for family use. As well as this, you do get rear ventilation, as well as a smaller digitalised climate control. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica, aluminium and gloss black. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean you get the full leather sport seats, which you have the S logo as well as the white stitching. Moving above now, we do find the virtual cockpit display, in which is featured the 2 digital rev counters. Then when pressing the view button, you can also access your telephone connectivity, radio station and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front occupants. To the screen above once again now, we do find the rear camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors. Just make this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this presentation of the approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron Sportback. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi, and for more information please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.